The iQOO Neo 7 5G India launch has been confirmed. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new video of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Raman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the video, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. iQOO has confirmed the launch date of its latest upcoming smartphone, the iQOO Neo 7 5G, and the date has been set for February 16th. And now, of course, it is believed that the Neo 7 5G is going to be the repackaged version of the iQOO Neo 7 5G SE. This one was launched in China recently, but rumors are also suggesting that there are going to be slight changes between the Indian version and the Chinese version. Now, what are these slight changes? I don't know as of now, but what I do know is that the iQOO Neo 7 5G was recently spotted on Geekbench, and which suggests that the specifications of the Neo 7 5G are going to be more or less the same as its Chinese counterpart. So expect to see a Dimensity 8200 chipset under the hood, a 120Hz E4 AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery, 65 megapixel primary rear camera. Now, in terms of pricing, it is expected that the iQOO Neo 7 5G could be priced for well under 30,000 rupees in the Indian market, but of course, we'll get to know more, we'll get more clarity once we inch closer to the launch. The OPPO A78 5G has been officially launched in India, and this phone is set to directly compete with the likes of the Redmi Note 12. Although I don't understand how is that even possible, because the OPPO A78 features an HD plus screen LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and the price of this phone is set at about 19,000 rupees, which I think is quite steep. Now, in terms of other highlighting features of the OPPO A78, this phone features a Dimensity 700 processor under the hood. It also features a dual camera setup at the back, and the design of the dual camera looks quite similar to that of the Realme 10 Pro, although the main camera on the OPPO A78 is a 50 megapixel sensor. Now, this phone is offered in two color options, black and blue, and as I said, this phone is priced at 18,999 rupees for its lone 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option. The Amazon Prime Lite plan has been introduced in India at a price of 999 rupees, and you can check out the plan for yourself by visiting the Amazon's website on your mobile phone, and which also suggests that the launch is imminent and is happening very soon. Now, of course, this plan is priced 500 rupees less than the main 1499 plan, the Prime plan for 1499 rupees. So what are the cut downs in features that we are looking at here? So first of all, there is no Amazon Prime Music access, no cost EMI Prime Gaming or free ebooks or anything like that. Now, subscribers who will be opting for this 999 plan will be able to enjoy free 2-day delivery speeds instead of 1-day delivery options with the 1499 plan. Additionally, if you consume content on Prime Video, which is if you like to watch videos and movies, TV shows on Prime Video, then you will be able to do that with the 999 plan, although the playback will be restricted to 2 devices. It will be SD quality, and there will be ads. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series launch is fast approaching, which means that the rumor mill has now shifted its attention to the next generation foldable smartphone from the house of Samsung, which could be called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, according to Ice Universe, Samsung will be adopting a new droplet hinge design on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 model. So basically, other smartphone makers like OPPO, Vivo and Xiaomi have already used the droplet hinge in their foldable smartphones, but none of those phones feature water resistance. And it is being reported that when the Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with this droplet hinge, it will be featuring water resistance. That is, we could see the possibility of an IPX8 water resistance rating on the Z Fold 5, just like what we saw with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 as well. Now, of course, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as of right now, it's like quite far. The launch is very far. We are still about 7 months away from its official launch. So I would say that to take all this information right now with a healthy grain of salt. The iPhone 14 launched at a price of about 80,000 rupees, and time and again I've said that at that price this phone does not make a lot of sense. But in this current Flipkart sale, the iPhone 14 has seen its first major price drop, and currently the phone is going at a price of 66,999 rupees, which is insane. Plus, if you have various cards like ICICI Bank or Federal Bank cards, then you can avail a further 1,000 rupees discount on the 66,999 price tag, which brings the price down to 65 or 999. This is a absolutely very good deal. Now, if you have an old phone to exchange, there's an exchange bonus of 20,000 as well. So say if you have an old iPhone 10R to exchange or an iPhone 11, then you can even bag a exchange bonus of about 20,000 rupees, and then maybe you can settle for a price of around 50,000 rupees on the new iPhone 14, which I think is a superb deal. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.